Hi Elijah, it's Mrs. Craig. I don't know if you remember me from your meeting, but anyway, I'm kind of sorry that we didn't get to start working together in person, but at least we'll get to work together this way. So, all right. I wanted to remind you and your mom that I put a list in your packet that has all of your assignments. This first page is for the first 4 weeks, and the second page is for the second 4 weeks. And that is just in case we don't return to school for the rest of the year. Nobody knows if that's the case or not, but just in case, we wanted to have you to have all your work. Okay. And another thing, given that I haven't worked with you, it's kind of hard to really know what you know how to do and what you don't. So if a lot of this is review, I'm really sorry, but the review is good. It always makes you a little better at doing your assignments. So, okay, what we're going to do today is, the first thing is we're going to work on adding 2-digit numbers. And 2-digit just means 2 numbers, like numbers in the tens place. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the first 3 problems on your page, adding with no regrouping, A, and I'll do 3 of them for you, and then hopefully you can do the rest on your own. If you have any questions or any problems, I need you to be sure and give me a call, okay? Because I'm here to help, and I want you to do your very best. Okay. All right. So one thing we have to remember is that when we're adding numbers that have that have more than just the ones place, like these are in the ones, these are in the tens, okay? We always start in the ones place, which is on the right side, okay? Is this going to be the right side for you? Anyway, okay, so we have 2 plus 0. 2 plus 0 is 2. And then 5 plus 2 is 7. So 52 plus 20 is 72. Next problem. Okay, this is 36 plus 22. So are we going to start here? No, we're going to start over here, right? Yeah. Okay, so we have 6 plus 2 is 8. And 3 plus 2 is 5. So 36 plus 22 is 58. Now problem number 3. 30 plus 32. 0 plus 2 is 2. And 3 plus 3 is 6. And that's just what we do. Not much to it. We're just adding straight down. Okay, these are the simple ones. Okay, the next thing I want to talk about is telling time. So I gave you some different worksheets on telling time. The first ones all have to do with telling time to the hour. Okay, so if I look, well, I wanted to go over a few things first. And again, I know this is probably review, but review doesn't hurt anybody, okay? All right, so in an hour is 60 minutes. So each one of these little dots stands for a minute. And each number stands for 5 minutes. So the one is 5 minutes after, 10 minutes after, 15, 20, 25, 30, okay? All right, when we're doing time to the hour, we have to look first at the big hand is the minute hand, and the little hand is the hour hand. So when we're telling time, the only way it's time to the hour, like straight on the hour, is if the big hand is on the 12. Whoops, I moved it away. Is on the 12. And then the other hand is pointing to the hour. So in this case, this is 10 o'clock. Now I'm going to move this around. Now for it to change to another hour, it has to move all the way around again back to the 12. And so now it's not 10 o'clock anymore. Now it's 11 o'clock. And if I go here, is it to the hour? No, that's not all the way back to the 12. So I have to go all the way up. And so now it's 12 o'clock because both hands are pointing to the 12. Okay, and that's it for today. We will be working on time to the half hour tomorrow. Okay, have a good evening.